Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on vibrant visuals in Minecraft Pocket Edition. First, make sure your Minecraft is updated to version 1.21.80 or above. If not, just head to your App Store or Play Store and update it. Now, once you're in, tap play and either create a new world or tap the pencil edit icon on an existing one. Scroll down on the left until you see experiments. Tap that, then on the right side, scroll until you see vibrant visuals under graphics. Enable that and you'll get a warning. Just tap turn on experiments anyway. Then press play to load the world. Now inside your world, open the settings, scroll down on the left to video, then on the right, scroll until you find graphics mode. Tap that and choose Vibrant Visuals. It might take a few seconds to load and boom, you've got the feature on, and you can even customize it by switching to custom, where you can adjust shadows, bloom, resolution, and more. Once you're happy, hit resume game and enjoy Minecraft like never before, right from your phone. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.